Look at all of the chickens. This isn't even all of them. There's another one right there. Alright. I'm gonna go grab these gals some food. With me. Grab our safety rake, place it right there, because this door, not the best. It has tried to come down on me a few times. So I put safety rake. For them, they're worms. To grab another batch and toss it in there. Now I'll start getting their food. We have the food here. Now, let's go. Look at them all. There are people with more chickens than I do. It's just, this is the most we've ever had. Baby ones are out, all the little chickens. There's one of the bigger ones. But we kind of just let all the babies out. I like to go mingle with the bigger ones, and I think they're doing a cool trick you can do with chickens, and I do believe it will work with any bird that's capable, that you have outside that can drink water, or from something that isn't a specialized water thing, is if you cut the core out of a half of watermelon and you put it out there, they'll eat out of it. And then when it rains, it'll fill up with this sugar water stuff, and they'll drink that. They'll go ahead and drink that sugar water that fills up the watermelon half. Something else you can do, if you're having a bad season with your chickens, is a lot of stuff is actually healthy for you to feed them. Things like cabbage and greens is actually good for them to be eating, that you can grow in your garden. To help them out. I'll probably be coming back later for eggs, just because it's not quite 4 yet, and 4 is around the time where all of them are laid. But that's about it. Their waters are looking good. Good for now, so I think just wait a couple more seconds and we'll be good. We've got a bunch of chickens, but over here is kind of like the end result of that water trick. They've completely eaten it out. it's probably just gonna fill up with regular water if it rains. I might throw that out later. But something that you don't necessarily need to do is throw all of your garbage out when you have chickens, because bugs get attracted to the garbage. They get attracted to the stuff that gets scattered around. And when it comes to that stuff, the chickens will eat the bugs. So, hope y'all have a good rest of your day. This video went on a little longer than I thought it would. A butterfly. Anyway, see ya. Have a good day.